Wouldn't it be intriguing if we could not tell the difference between reality and a virtual world created by an artificial intelligence? This is the concept of AI-generated virtual reality, a technology that has the potential to create experiences so vivid, so lifelike, they're indistinguishable from real life. Picture this, an AI so advanced, it can generate a virtual reality so realistic that you could reach out and touch the textures, smell the fragrances, and hear the sounds as if you were there. At present, our AI and VR technology is impressive, but we're not quite there yet. We've made significant strides, sure, but creating a virtual world that mirrors our own in every aspect is a monumental challenge. It's a future that's tantalizingly within reach, yet still a few leaps away. Imagine the possibilities if this becomes a reality. The way we experience entertainment, education, and social interactions could undergo a dramatic transformation. Consider the entertainment industry, where AI-generated virtual reality could take immersion to a whole new level. Imagine movies where you're not just a spectator but a participant, video games that feel as real as life itself. Envision attending concerts from your living room, experiencing the thrill of live music in a hyper-realistic virtual space. This could revolutionize how we consume entertainment, making it more personal, more immersive, more visceral. The line between the viewer and the performer, the game player and the game character, could blur into insignificance. Beyond entertainment, think about the profound impact this technology could have on education and social interactions. Picture a world where classrooms are no longer confined to four walls, but can instead take the form of the Roman Colosseum, the Great Barrier Reef, or even Mars. With AI-generated virtual reality, students could learn in immersive, interactive environments that bring history, geography, science, and more to life in unprecedented ways. Now, imagine how our social interactions might evolve. Virtual meetings that feel as real as face-to-face conversations. Remote work that doesn't feel remote at all. Social media platforms where you can hang out with friends from across the globe as if you were in the same room. The line between the virtual and the real would blur, transforming how we interact and connect with each other. In this not-so-distant future, our classrooms could be anywhere, and our social circles could span the globe. So, what do you think about this future of AI-generated virtual reality? As we've delved into, this tech has the potential to transform our entertainment experiences, revolutionize education, and redefine social interactions. It's an exciting, yet daunting prospect. The true implications of a reality indistinguishable from our own, only time will tell. We encourage you to ponder this future, share your thoughts, spark a conversation. As we ponder on these possibilities, remember that the future of AI and virtual reality is not just a question of technology, but also of how we choose to use it.